Do you like s'mores? Do you wish you could have them year-round? Well, now you can. Today I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a s'more sandwich with home materials. Okay, so first off, you want to start with the bread. The bread I use is whole grain, but you can use whatever bread you really want. But I like this bread because it's very healthy and nutritious. So first off, you want to start with the Nutella. Now that you have the Nutella on the bread, you want to get your graham crackers and smash them up. You can use whatever graham crackers you want. I'm using Honey Made right now. Now you want to use the marshmallow fluff to represent the marshmallows that you put in your s'more. So for this, you want to spread it evenly. So now that you have this step done, you can build the bread. Now that you're finally done making your sandwich, you can finally eat it. Very crunchy, it's pretty good. Very sweet though. I think I put a little bit too much marshmallow in there. Otherwise, great sandwich. Try making this at home and put in the comments below how your sandwich turned out.